here is a airflow exhaust fan I got a couple of days ago. It probably won't be able to blow for a while, so it'll probably be about a week ago that I did end up getting it. Very nice. It's got a spaceship plug on with a Lenco MIDI, same as Max Graw's one. I am friends with Max Graw and Mitchell Collins. Right, it's got a bit of blue on the motor. It spins good, perfectly fine. The only one problem is with these things is these clips, they push in, and when they're in, the fan doesn't spin. So I need to make sure they're in before I can turn it on. So anyway, in 3, 2, 1, go. Mitchell Collins want me to make a 1 minute video of it, so I will. Don't worry. Spin down's very slow on it. Another 30 seconds, and it's a minute. I love my original airflow. It's got a beauty cover. It's very filthy, as you can see. I can't clean it. If anyone has an idea of how to clean it, let me know. It's a bit dark. Just spin down now in 3, 2, 1. Thanks for watching. I'll do a video with the cover on in a minute.